हमारे सहयोगी ने एक ग्राउंड रिपोर्ट भेजा है इस केस के बारे में और जानकारी देते हुए।
Very tragic incident that happened in Kolkata's R.J. Kaur Medical Hospital, where a medical student was brutally raped and killed, and we are outside, Sanjay Roy's house, and this is the very house, this is the very locality that he lives in. If you show you the visuals also, this is the very locality that he resides in, and even the CBI has also received an approval from Kolkata court that happened on Monday to carry out even a polygraph or lie detector test on Sanjay Roy, who is the main accused in the rape and murder case. And even in the significant development also in the rape and murder of the trainee doctor, the CBI has received approval to conduct a polygraphic test on Sanjay Roy, and this is the very area, this is the very locality or the house that he stays in. And even the pending polygraph examination also comes as the CBI awaits a crucial ruling from a special court in Kolkata. And yes, definitely Sanjay Roy, who is aged 33, stands accused of assaulting and murdering a second-year trainee doctor in the early hours of the very incident. And he was a civic volunteer who was arrested a day after the doctor's body was recovered in a seminar hall of the hospital on August 9th. And even the preliminary investigation also revealed that the accused Sanjay Roy had consumed alcohol before committing the crime. Now, yes, if we show you the visuals also, this is the very, house or the place, the area where Sanjay Roy lives with his mother. Even though, yes, when we speak to the, neighbors, they are saying the fact that his behavior was not good and he does not used to come here much. And even though it's been, when we spoke to the neighbors also, they were saying that for about a year they were not even, they couldn't even see Sanjay Roy because he did not used to come here. And when we spoke to his mother also, his mother said that he was the only earning member in the family. Ma'am, थोड़ा आप यहाँ कितने दिन से रह रहे हो?
नहीं, यहाँ आके नहीं बताएंगे। 50 बार हम लोग बता चुके हैं। अब CBI आया था, वो हम लोग को बोल के गया है कि मीडिया वाले लोग आएगा, वो भगाना, किसी से बात मत करना।
मीडिया वालों से बात करने के लिए मना किया
है। तो CRP भी मना किया है और जो ये है CBI है वो भी मना किया है।
मना किया बात
करने मना।
तो अगर हम कुछ पूछ नहीं, हम सिर्फ यही पूछना चाहते हैं वो कैसा व्यक्ति कैसा था?
कैसा 100 बात का एक बात बोल दिया कि वो अच्छा नहीं था।
अच्छा इंसान नहीं था। यहाँ रहता था?
यहाँ नहीं, 8-10 महीने से वो कहीं गायब था।
कहाँ रहता था, कोई आइडिया?
नहीं, कुछ आइडिया नहीं।
और आपके साथ, आपके फैमिली के साथ व्यवहार कैसा था?
बोले तो हम लोग का घर से झगड़ा हुआ था।
झगड़ा कोई कारण के वजह से?
कारण के लेके हुआ था।
अच्छा, तो viewers, you can actually see that obviously the neighbors are pretty frustrated and they are not willing to talk to the media because they also said that the CBI also rather instructed them not to speak to the media personnel. But yes, she said that he was not at all a nice person. So this is what we are getting to know from one of the neighbors that we spoke to. And even the neighbors are also very secretive about voicing their opinion to the fact that they don't want to talk about it. And this, again, this is the window of the accused Sanjay Roy and his mother who we just spoke to. So definitely this is the situation here at this very place, which is opposite the Bangur Institute, where Sanjay Roy along with his mother used to stay. But yes, from the neighbors that we are getting to know that definitely his relations, he never used to come here much often. He was not at all a good person. He did not have good relations with any of the neighborhood. So definitely this was the neighbors who were voicing their frustration about this very incident.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.